Well, I've already done a video about this yard yard bug or beetle or whatever you want to call it, and I just love these things. Yeah, and this one here, it I've got the seat's not on it. I need to replace the seat. It runs, it's fine. I ran it out of gas. It's kind of winterized right now, and yeah, it just needs a little bit of help. There's the seat switches, of course, buggered up and stuff like that. But everything else is working really well on it. So, anyways, I like this so much that I went and I got another one. Yes, this one's the real Yardman one. This is the Canadian Tire version. This one's the real Yardman one. And I drove 5 hours to go get it. 5 hours back again. Anyways, well worth it. I paid almost nothing for this thing, honest to goodness. So it would just cost me the gas there and back, and it's a project too. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? But I gave it a bath just about a half an hour ago. They're both clean now. Anyways, this one here, the electrical system on this one, kind of like this one, is not working perfectly. So I think that once I get this thing in the shop, and I'm gonna take it indoors in my little shed there, and I'll work on it, because they really messed it up. They disconnected a lot of stuff, and I'll show you just in a few minutes here what the heck they did. Okay, we're back in the lawnmower workshop here with the new little, it's Beetle. it actually labeled the Beetle. Isn't that cute? Look at the bloody needles coming down here. Oh my goodness. You may not be able to see them on the camera, but they're raining down pretty good. So anyways, let's have a kind of a look at what I got. And I'll start off with the very fact that I had to put this wheel on. This is the front tire off of a regular tractor. I had to put it on because that wheel right there on the back was flat. Yeah, totally flat. Now I have the I'm going to open up the seat. The seat is, of course, well, it's actually maybe in better shape than the other one was. The decals are all on here. That's kind of cool. The cables, I believe, this thing here is pretty stiff. So I think those two cables, what happens is the moisture just goes down through the slot there and seizes them up. So I have that little tool. I can unseize these, no problem. The mower deck, well, I haven't looked underneath it, but the top part of it is in pretty good shape. That's good. Of course, it's scraped and everything from driving against fences and things like that. And so's the other side too. Okay, let's have a look inside here at what we got. And look, they took the seat button, the seat switch, out because they were having troubles. They've taped up a lot of wires in here and whatnot. This motor, you know, I mean, it doesn't look as nice as the other one. You know, it's showing a little bit of wear and tear there too, but it does turn over, and I'll get it running. It should, there should be no reason why it wouldn't run. We just need to do some rewiring in here. They have unplugged things here that's the switch, and I'll bet you it's for the deck. There's your ignition plug in there. This thing here, he broke the key off in it, so I guess I'll be looking for a new one of those. I'm just pointing out what I've noticed. The rubber is missing off the brake. Of course, we have the flat tire that needs. Unfortunately, I did not get the other parts to the optional chute to shoot the grass out. Oh, darn. I was really kind of hoping it was going to be included in this one, but that's okay. I do see that the blade engages with the foot pedal. That's kind of nice. Let's get these. This thing was just full of pine needles. There is the hold down clamp for the battery here, which is interesting. And yeah, I don't know. Hubcaps. Pretty fancy, eh? This one's almost like it's more deluxe. Oh well. Anyways, so that's kind of where we're at. This one also has the builder's decal on it, which I'll make sure I put a piece of clear tape over that so that it stays on it. And yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Once I get a tire or a tube in the other tire or something, we'll be fixing that up. Not a problem. But this one might be the keeper. I don't know. Or maybe I keep them all. I just love these little things. I think they're very, very well engineered. They didn't, like, this is not near as rusty. There's some rust on here for sure. Battery trays always rust. But yeah, there's so little rust. I don't expect to see a whole lot on that mower deck. I hope the blade's okay, but whatever. You can buy a blade for it. We can get belts. We can even get cables for it. But I'm hoping to salvage these cables. So yeah. So this little guy, I wasn't going to say no to going picking it up because I'd like to. Any one of these I can, I'll rescue, because I think they're rare. They were only made for like 3 years. That I just think they're all worth fixing up, and they're really not going to be that hard. I mean, even if that motor was to be a toast, you can go get another 8 horse. That's 8.5 horsepower. The other one was 9. You can get another motor. You can find another motor like that. You just have to keep the gas tank, and that just goes. There's parts that make it unique to this, and it's really only that gas tank. And guess what? The strap is broken on the gas tank, and it's just sitting there. So that's unique to this little mower because it wraps around there. But I think the motor is basically the same as all those 8-9 horsepower. You could whatever. So yeah. Anyways, it's a project, and I think I'm going to work on it inside the shop. Okay.